This seatbelt is messed up, yo. I mean, come on, it's on the door. It's messed up. The stupidest design to make you go through this handle. It's messed up. Look at that. It's stupid. I'm too fat for the seatbelt. It won't work. There. Get the seatbelt's messed up. It's messed up. It's messed up. It's messed up. Seatbelt. I fixed it. It's all better now. I fixed it. The seatbelt's killing me. Ah, it's killing me. The seatbelt's killing me. The seatbelt just killed me. It killed me. I'm over here. The seatbelt's killing me. My last words are, turn the air on to 4. I just swallowed my gum. I coughed it back up.
Oh, ew.
My t-shirt is wet.